again. Oh, he's going to catch me. Oh, damn it! Balls. That's what should have happened the first time round.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the R8 completed the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds, while the RSQ8 took 12.2 seconds, so he wasn't too far behind. Having said that though, I've actually timed a V10 Plus at 10.8 seconds for the standing quarter mile in a previous race.
Now we have a riding race from 50 miles an hour, the car's in comfort mode, automatic mode for the gearbox. I'm going to count it in. When Ben gets level, get level Ben, level Ben, Ben level. It's level. Ready then, mate? 3, 2, 1, floor it, kick down, bugger, slow. Oh, off it goes, bye R8. Right, now we're going to do the same thing again, riding race from 50 miles an hour. This time though, the cars are in their sportiest settings and manual mode for the gearboxes. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! When I take the gearbox out of it, it's not such a difference. Hardly any turbo lag on this thing actually. Now he's coding it, look at that. And that's 150. Hard on your brakes now, Ben, if you don't want to crash your car off the end of the runway. I think you won that one. You enjoying yourself today?
That was mega. That was mega.
Now, Ben's car is a lot lighter. He's good at staying level, look at that. It's like flying in formation. He could get a job with the red arrows. There's a line. So blooming close. I'm not really sure. I know mine's longer than yours, the car that is. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to get out to look. I don't really want it because it's blooming blowing a gale outside, but let's try. It's all about where the front of your car is. Hopefully I've beaten you because I haven't won anything so far yet. I've got no idea. I have literally no idea. I want to say this one. In fact, I'm just going to say this did win. But really, you guys are going to have to let me know in the comments below. It's so